Don't worry, he'll eat it.
There you go. Good job.
He needs a napkin.
You want to wipe your hands? Okay. Here you go. Why don't you wipe your hands, please? Wipe your hands.
What is that?
What are you eating, Lubbock?
What is this? Jojo?
What are you eating?
What are you eating?
Egg.
You said say it correctly.
Oh my God, he's gonna get a brain freeze.
अभी तक तो कुछ नहीं हुआ उसको. He's like, uh-oh. Here it comes.
That was a big bite.
He's like, what's going on, Mommy? Why are you taking mine?
I'm not taking it. Love it. Okay, we're good. Oh my God, you still got a few of them.
He's eating it because he's never eaten ice cream. What is this? Ice cream.
Do you like it?
Is it good? I bet I could kiss him right now and taste all that mango.
Yes.
Oh.
Good. Way back down.
This is great. Mom, you are missing the best TV show ever. Jojo, what are you eating? What is this?
Jojo, I just wine. What are you eating?
He froze one of his six.
I think you saw shoes are in my hand.
He's not even.
Yeah. Did you see how big of a bite he took? I think he just got brain freeze for 2 seconds.
Eating ice cream? Dadu, this is not okay.
You're yummy. Can I have some more?
He likes what kind of
Look at this.
Mango.
Oh no!